Okay, so real quick, I know I don't have my shirt on, I know it's a mess, this is a real quick one, the microphone should be on, everything should be working. So, remember I did the whole thing about the sphere of connectivity? We'll just do a quick review. Okay, left hand, neutral position, okay, it's programmed to a zone, or like beacons, over the air, Bluetooth, OTA networking, beacons. Okay, check it out, ready? Is the left hand still good? You know, atrophy, all the whole thing, blah, 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 blah. Ready, zone, on, okay. Ooh, there it is, okay, it's on. So, right hand, remember, okay, sphere of connectivity. Ooh, there it goes, lines up, okay. Now, right hand, ready? Next zone. Like channels down in a beacon, ready? Zone 3, ready? Boom. Now, I want you to take a look at this finger right here. And I want you to take a look at this finger right here. This finger is broken. And my theory is, because I told you it's from the root, and we have, not series, we have, make me forget the word now, okay. It's not parallel, yeah, it's in series, it's not parallel. Okay, so we have this finger, this with this, this with this, this with this, this with this from the root, the sequencing for the code, okay, that runs through the OTA network. So we have a different zone, which is a different channel, because the idea was to have a different beacon that's not a main beacon anymore, use a whole main beacon for the body instead. So we have the master, and then you have zone 1 would be the head, but this would actually be zone 1 because is what we started with. So you have your master switch, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be all the limbs, okay. So that's the idea. So you have to have a submaster off your master beacon that runs off the home unit. So anyway, pay attention to this finger right here, okay? This finger, when I hold it down, whoops, when it's both on, see it's down. It's in a down position. That's because this hand, this finger right here, this finger is broken a long time ago. See, it goes up and then off to the side. Well, I think there's latency in that communication because there's damage. There's nerve damage. So the same signal that's required to make this one go is actually being used on this finger, and it's not getting all the way through because of nerve damage, because it didn't heal quite right. It's a different pathway. And the neural network recognizes it as this finger, so it's sending it as this finger, as the same impulse from the neural network in the same sequencing as this finger, because it's in series from the roots. Okay, that's my theory. Why it works? Experimenting and trying things while being a Bluetooth hostage with Parkinson's disease. So, however, you know, we can just take the zone. I'll first do the first zone on the left hand just to demonstrate. You know, zone, boom, that one's off. It takes a while the resonance to wear off, and this one, the fingers, you know, and we'll just go, boom, off. And that's it. That's my update on the right hand. I was able to do the right hand. So, because I figured, you know, with the whole sphere of connectivity and sharing connectivity, now the implications of that means possible data transferring between hands? Could be. Who knows? But no one will let me get into a lab and check it out and actually experiment to do this. Why? You have to ask someone else. I have no idea. Right? So we have no idea. So, later.